Well, hello there. Just a quick one today to look at 8 reasons why I think these wide-mouthed pop or soda bottles may be the best choice as a bottle for urban EDC. I've done another recent video looking at water bottles, different types, different materials. I think I've come to the conclusion that these might be the best option really, and I wanted to explain why. We've bought, me and my missus, and she's still buying them now, we've bought dozens, countless bottles. We must have had 30 or 40 of these type of bottles. Supposed to be good for the environment, not using throwaway plastics. Well, they're just not very good, and they all of them break after just a few months, and they end up getting chucked away. These bottles with the straws on and things, they're just harder to clean. Nooks and crannies and crevices. I don't like them. They're not durable. They end up going into landfill because it's really hard to recycle them. First reason I really love these bottles is they're super duper lightweight. A 500ml empty Lucozade bottle weighs about 27 grams. An empty Lipton fruit tea bottle weighs, let's call it 23 grams or 0.8 ounces. Super light. Here I've got a double wall steel insulated drinks bottle there, 18 ounces, about 530 mils. That thing weighs about 12 ounces or 341 grams before you've even put any liquid in it. Quite a weight difference if you're carrying it, and these do hold a similar volume, 500 mils, 530 mils. Quite a size difference, much easier to slip in your bag, isn't it? You haven't got a ice cold drink in the summer like you're going to have with this, but it's that important. It's the hydration that's important, not how cold it is at the end of the day. Reason number 7, these bottles are also pretty durable. It's plastic. Plastic's tough, durable, it's flexible. As long as you're not puncturing it with a knife blade or something or chucking it across the room, these are going to last. Steel bottles are durable, aren't they? You drop it though and you dint it. I've been using this bottle for a couple of weeks. It's holding up just fine. Reason number 6, I think for urban carry, 500 mils is a reasonable amount to carry in terms of weight and bulk vs hydration. 500 mils, if you're in an urban environment, you're usually never going to be too far away from a source of refilling your bottle through the day when you need to. So I think 500 mils is a decent size. That will obviously depend on what you're doing with your day. Reason number 5. You get a delicious free beverage with every purchase of a soda bottle. Reason number 4, all these types of soda bottles are made from, I don't know if you can see it there, from PET, which is 100% recyclable. Every part of this bottle can go in your recycling bin if and when you chuck it away, and that will be recycled. Unlike, say, Nalgene bottles and things like that, which are made from Triton, all these so-called reusable bottles tend to be made from Triton or a similar material, which is much harder to recycle. You think you're doing your bit for the planet, don't you, buying those reusable bottles? Well, they're much harder to recycle than these. Chuck this in your recycling, it's going to get reused. Reason number 3, let's talk about health concerns. BPA free is something that's brandished about when you're buying your reusable bottles all the time. There are quite a number of health concerns about plastic bottles. I've personally not been able to find any conclusive evidence either way about that. BPA free is a bold claim made on many reusable bottles. Well, PET is BPA free. So there you go. There's no BPA in any PET bottles. Reason number 2, and this is a huge one for me. These types of bottles are really easy to clean. In the UK anyway, there are tons of bottles with a slightly wider mouth than your average Coca-Cola bottle or things like that. Lucozade, Oasis, the Lipton fruit tea bottles, quite a few other options you see on shelves, supermarkets own brand stuff sometimes. In the USA, I think some of the Gatorade bottles have got wide mouths, thus meaning that you can get a bottle brush down into these and give them a good scrub out. You need to mechanically clean your bottles to keep them clean. This is basic elementary stuff, guys. And these type of bottles are a really easy way to achieve that. Some bottles have really wide shoulders that come out. Some bottles have narrow mouths, thus meaning that you can't clean them.
And I don't know about you, but I've got enough going on in my life without having to deal with a nasty case of diarrhea on top of everything else. Ha!
The other thing I love about these is there's no rubber O-rings in the seals. You get so many of these reusable bottles that have got silicone or rubber O-rings in to stop them leaking. Well, they always, all of them, eventually go mouldy. Nalgene bottles don't use rubber O-rings, and the world's soda manufacturers don't use rubber O-rings either. And these, well, they don't leak, do they? So get rid of those mould and bacteria harbouring rubber O-rings by using these. Oh, I'll just add a little bonus reason as well why these are good. I know these stay attached lids annoy everyone, don't they? Because they kind of stick up your nose when you're drinking them. But the lid's attached. Let's view that as a bonus. Your lid's attached. You're not going to lose your lid. There you go, nice. So that's 8 reasons plus a bonus one why I think these are an excellent choice as an EDC water bottle. What do you reckon, guys? Thank you very much for having a watch of this one, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take it easy and be lucky. Bye.